Welcome to Auto Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth automotive insights. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic hypercars of the future, the 2025 Bugatti Veyron. Renowned for its unmatched luxury and performance, the 2025 Veyron pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering to extraordinary heights. Let's take a closer look at what makes this machine a true masterpiece. The 2025 Bugatti Veyron's design is an evolution of its legendary predecessors, combining elegance with purpose-driven aerodynamics. The exterior is sculpted with a more aggressive front fascia, active aero vents, and a wider stance for improved downforce. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures rigidity and keeps weight under control, while Bugatti introduces liquid titanium accents for a unique blend of strength and aesthetic appeal. A state-of-the-art adaptive rear wing integrates seamlessly into the body, optimizing airflow and stability at high speeds. Its LED matrix headlights are a technological marvel, providing adaptive lighting that adjusts automatically based on driving conditions. Under the hood, the 2025 Veyron features a re-engineered 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine. It produces a staggering 1,800 horsepower and 1,600 lb-ft of torque, enabling it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.1 seconds. The power is transmitted through a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic gearbox paired with Bugatti's next-generation all-wheel drive system. A new hybrid assist system enhances throttle response while improving efficiency, a remarkable achievement for a hypercar of this caliber. Top speed? An electronically-limited 280 miles per hour, but with the Track Plus mode, this beast can push closer to 300 miles per hour on a closed circuit. The 2025 Veyron comes equipped with Bugatti's VirtuDrive AI, a driving assistant capable of predictive adjustments for suspension, braking, and throttle response based on road conditions. The Hypercar features a 15-inch OLED infotainment system, offering seamless connectivity, real-time telemetry, and augmented reality navigation. Additionally, the new Bugatti Drive network allows drivers to communicate with other Veyron owners, plan routes, and access exclusive track day events. Safety is paramount in the Veyron, with advanced systems like adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and the active collision avoidance system. The carbon ceramic braking system has been upgraded with regenerative capabilities, ensuring precise stopping power even at extreme speeds. The 2025 Bugatti Veyron isn't just a car, it's a testament to what's possible when engineering meets artistry. With its groundbreaking technology, breathtaking design, and unparalleled performance, this hypercar sets a new standard in the automotive world. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Veyron's features, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Auto Reviews for more detailed car reviews and insights. Stay tuned as we continue exploring the most exciting vehicles the industry has to offer. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.